let's go take this thing for a spin. Let's turn off traction. Now this car gets going very fast. And this is the reason why you buy this, because of the feeling this car gives you when you drive it. Makes you feel like you're just a kid again in a candy store or on Christmas. These transmissions are pretty bulletproof. Engines are pretty bulletproof. Make sure nobody's driving here. We're gonna just do a few pulls here for you, just so you could see, you know, what it's like driving this car if you were to buy one. This car's a fucking rocket, man. Holy shit. Now the reason that car makes a little bit of noise there is because it doesn't have solid motor mounts, and it's got aftermarket headers, and the motor mounts are just old, and there's a little bit of vibration of the headers rubbing against the body, but it's just, you know, a small little fix. Here you go. I'll put it in just regular drive sport mode. This car just wants to spool and boost, man. Like, that's just, this car just wants to shoot off like a missile into the air, like a SpaceX rocket by Elon. Boost likes to spool around like 33. 3,300 RPM, 3,500. That's like when the supercharger clutch engages. I want to be respectful. I don't want to beat on this car too much, but I do really want to show you guys, you know, the capabilities and just how fun this car really is. you're basically getting a missile for 10 grand. And I don't think that is really beatable, man. I'd recommend this car to everybody. Takes very little to keep it on the road, and you're gonna have a blast driving this car. Every time you drive this car, you're gonna have a smile on your face. It's just impossible to drive this without smiling.